Hi guys and welcome. I'm so excited that you have decided to press that button to watch this video. Today I am sharing my summer home tour. I have been working so hard in the past month trying to decorate my home so I can share it with you. Tons and tons of lemon decor here, farmhouse rustic style. So I hope you enjoy it. And if you're stopping by for the very first time, I would love it if you consider becoming part of my YouTube family by pressing the subscribe button and a notification bell. So let's get right into it. We are starting at my front door, and I have videos that I have created for each individual room and space that I have decorated separately where I share where things came from. So I will link those in the description box for you to check out if you want to know everything more in detail. So as we enter my home, you are greeted by my Bernafee, but also my open to above foyer that includes some decor, not too much because I don't want to clutter it, but I have my bench here with some pillows and a nice home sign that I have been considering replacing, but I'm not quite sure if I'm ready for it yet. Now further down my foyer, I have a Bombay chest that I've had for very many years, and originally when I decorated this space I had my lavender tree here, but unfortunately I managed to make it look not so appealing, so it is outside trying to recuperate right now. So I have just placed that nautical candelabra, a candle holder, or a lantern. And then we are going to move on to my living room. This is our sitting area, our formal living room, and I have my lemon tree that I DIY'd here, which I think it looks perfect. So I tried to pull that lemon all throughout the house. As you can see, lots of pops of yellow and pops of green. I just love how everything looks. And you all know, if you've been here for a while, I absolutely love my little rustic truck, my galvanized truck, and I have been decorating it with different things for different seasons. So naturally, this one had lemons in it, and I am so in love with the way this looks. And moving on from my family room, you are greeted with my Tornyak, which is a Bosnian Croatian mountain dog, and he is 7 months old. And now we're turning into my dining room, my formal dining room. Again, lots of yellow here and lots of soft, not neutral decor. I love decorating with tier trays, and if you are new, a lot of my decor is DIYs that I create over on my DIY channel, and I love showcasing them in my home. Since I redecorate my house for almost every season, I like to use a lot of my DIYs for decorating. That will keeps the cost down and I stay on the budget. From my formal dining room, we are moving on to my family room, and this is where my family spends most of their time, as well as my two giant dog beds are here because we want to include them to be part of the family. So this room has to be very comfortable, not too cluttered, especially that first side table. That's my husband's side table that he wants to keep clear of clutter, which I mention almost every time. I'm also so in love with the way my fireplace turned out, how simple but yet stylish it is, and I love the pops of green and yellow here. And here is my tier tray number 2 that I've decorated. I actually have a video how I decorate 2 of them, which like I mentioned will be linked in the description box. And from the family room, we move into the kitchen. I try to keep the counters as clutter-free as possible, just keeping things that I need for prepping and my 2-tier tray. So, and you can see that there's not too much decor on the counters.
Time to figure out what this could be. I dreamt of a life in a small town that wasn't enough for you somehow. I just wish I had a little more time with you, baby. Weeks and months and years they passed, and I knew it wouldn't last. When tears streamed down my face, my mama said, all the nights that end in heartbreak gonna pay off someday. And the pain that you're feeling gradually fades away. 'Cause growing up, falling in love, giving your all might not be enough. Just trust your head and your heart, that's what my mama said. I wish I could freeze this moment, just never let it end.
I'm going to finish off the tour over in my dinette, where again I keep it simple on the tray so I can move it as I need to, in case if we're entertaining or if we're simply eating at the table. Well, I hope you have enjoyed this tour. If you did, I would love it if you gave me a thumbs up, shared it with a friend if you think they would get inspired as well. I love sharing these type of videos because I love preparing for them. I love sharing step by step and then the final result. And also don't forget to check out my patio refresh that I did last week, where I share how I decorated and got my patio all ready for the season. So until next time, hope you have a wonderful day. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching.